Hi there, welcome to Office Administration 262, Introduction to Microsoft PowerPoint. I am Professor Nancy Backlund.
I am Tish Cole. I'll be here to assist you through your course.
So we are happy to have you with us, and we just want to do this quick video to get you started on the right path to success in the class. So the first thing you're going to do is after you watch us on this video is go down to the bottom of the screen and click on the Welcome button. That will take you to a page that has multiple lined or rows. So what you'll do is click on the first one in the Welcome module, which is about your instructors. Read through about Tish and myself, and then at the end of the page, at the bottom right corner, click the Next button.
As you move through your Welcome module, be sure to view each page as it has important information on it. You're going to have 2 assignments that you're going to submit. One is going to be the introduction of yourself. We want to hear all about each of you. And your second assignment will be on how to upload and submit assignments to Canvas, which we're going to be doing a lot of. The last assignment for you is going to be a quiz. You need to take this quiz and score out of 7 out of 10.
After you've done that, the week 1 module should open. If for some reason it doesn't open, go back and look to see that each of those pages have check marks next to them and that you did score 7 out of 10 on the quiz. So the week 1 in every module is set up in sequential order. So we encourage you to progress through the pages just like you did the orientation or the welcome module. At the end of the module, after submitting your assignments, there'll be a quiz. And then once you've completed all those items, you'll be done with the week's work. Now, just a note, the welcome module assignments are due on Wednesday by noon. Very important you get those done so they're completed on time. The week 1 modules will be due next Monday. We are so glad that you're joining us. You're going to learn some great skills in the class.
Absolutely. We both look forward to working with each and every one of you. I hope you all learn something new. And if you have any questions, please reach out.